In this video, you will learn blur mask text tutorial for Instagram Reels. So let's jump into the timeline. I've already applied text here and I'll blur in this specific part. Go to Effect panel and search Gaussian blur. Drag the Gaussian blur in the text effect and go to the Effect control panel. Here you can see Gaussian blur effect. I'll select pen tool and mask it here. After masking has done, increase the blurriness value. I will apply glow effect here. Go to the effect panel and apply glow effect here. If I play the video, you will see the entire effect. Thanks for watching the video.